Yeah, guys, I'm back again, and let's continue our coding live session building an app from scratch. We are building this MERN stack application to ship it from zero to at last stage here, and we are at the stage where we are setting up some API calls. We are getting the data from the backend, and we are rendering the perfect and specific accordingly data into their particular sections, and we are at the stages where we are configuring some modes like is accepting messages or is showing his real identity or not. So I have already make some API calls and arrange them into the particular specific hook states, so I can use these values to show into their required sections. Like in these containers, I have these two containers for different modes, like changes accepting messages or is showing identity or not. So I will just check out that I have got all the values from the hooks for these modes, and I will now send to their parent component as props the values. Here I am calling their functions for getting the current status into the use fact into the parent view file, the profile.ts. And let me just call this is accepting and getting current status function right there, so I can get both status values. So let me just send the other remaining values into the props for the profile board component. Let me just do the okay. So mode for this is going to be a boolean value, and that is going to be a boolean value as well. So right there, these two values are for the showing identity status, and now let's just send the remaining two values from the is accepting messages mode status or not. So let me just send these two remaining values as well into the component. Okay, so let me just send this loading state as well. So yeah, okay, so right there I have to declare their types into the profile board props interface. So let me just copy these two values uh, and set their type here. That's obviously going to be a boolean value, and that's also going to be a boolean value. So let me just copy these two as well. uh, okay, boolean value, and this is also going to be the boolean value. uh, so I have these four new values, and let me just okay, so as I am live, let me check into my YouTube channel uh, studio. Okay, so I am streaming right now, so let me just run that project again here. Just complete the syntax, and okay, so here I will this is for is accepting messages. I will say is if if current state type of current status for accept for is accepting messages to boolean, then form dot okay, So yeah, okay, so I will should dirty, false, should touch, should touch also be a false, and the dependency array will include uh, the form here, and likewise I will do the same thing for the use effect of showing identity mode here. So yeah, uh, R3, yeah, I will remove it and keep it an empty dependency array for the use effect, and uh, to type, but it is being used as a value here. So let me just check out the note. Okay, so I have to wrap it into single quotes. So, yeah, and the dependency. That's my bad. Okay, and the form here. So likewise, if type of this one, uh, if type of be a boolean, then what I have to do, I just need to set the form value, like form dot set value, the flag, this is not a form, it was the form for showing identity. Okay, mm, mode for and should dirty false, should touch false. Okay, and the dependency array will include the mode for showing current identity status, and the form for showing identity response, and the form for, yeah, this one, and form. Okay, just make a new login here to see whether we are setting the values or not. Form for identity. Okay, so let me just check that whether we are getting uh, and here I have to add disabled, and this is for the is accepting messages, and I have to add the is accepting messages loading state here with the AND operator. So let me just copy this loading state and just add after the right. uh, yeah, environmental variables, what the hell is this? Let me just, oh, yeah, this one. So there's my profile. Okay, so please log in again, and I think I have to restart the dev server here so I can get the perfect page to be rendered here. And let me just complete this one. And it's loading. Yeah, it's accepting messages. Okay, all right. Anyways, let me just do it for the identity status as well. So I have a remaining loading state, like it's loading for getting current status, so I will add it right there with the AND operator. Okay, so my PC is taking too long responding. Okay, my test server is not working. No, it's working. I don't know that why I have an odd page and just check the files here. Yeah, the auth page is compiled successfully. Let me just make the login here and let me just see that is my live streaming is working so smoothly or not. So